What if the notes in your phone, the skills you learned for free on YouTube, or the experience you already have, could turn into income that runs while you sleep? Not by getting lucky, not by going viral, but by building a simple automated system powered by AI. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your knowledge into automated revenue using real proven digital systems that creators are building right now. And if you're serious about AI income systems and digital automation, make sure you subscribe, because this channel is all about building smart systems, not chasing trends. Step 1. Package knowledge into a digital asset. First, understand this. Knowledge by itself doesn't make money. Packaged knowledge does. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy exist for one reason. People are willing to pay for structured, organized learning. You don't need to be the world's best. You need to be one step ahead of someone else. Examples. If you know Video Editing Aero, create a beginner editing blueprint. If you understand Canva, build a template pack. If you've learned AI tools, create a workflow guide. Instead of selling hours, you sell systems. Step 2. Use AI to create faster, not fake. AI doesn't replace expertise. It accelerates it. Tools like ChatGPT can help structure your course outlines, refine explanations, or generate examples. Notion can help you turn messy ideas into organized digital products. Canva helps you design clean PDFs, slide decks, and templates without hiring designers. But here's the key. You add the insight. AI adds the speed. That combination becomes leverage. Step 3. Build an automated delivery system. Automation is what turns knowledge into revenue consistently. Here's a simple model. Content attracts traffic. YouTube, Instagram, blog. Link directs to landing page. Payment is processed automatically. Product is delivered instantly. Platforms like Shopify and Stripe handle payments globally. Email tools like MailChimp automate onboarding sequences. Once this system is live, you're not manually sending files. The system runs, even when you're offline. Step 4. Validate before you build big one. Major mistake people make is building a massive course before confirming demand. Instead, post short content around your topic. Measure engagement, collect questions. Offer a small beta product first. This lean validation approach is similar to what's taught in books like The Lean Startup. Build small, test fast, improve based on feedback. Automation doesn't mean guessing, it means building based on data. Step 5. Turn one product into a system. Here's where it becomes powerful. One digital product can evolve into entry-level guide, premium course, membership community consulting upsell. You're not building random income streams, you're building a knowledge ecosystem. This is how many digital creators scale, not through hype, but through structured systems. Reality check automated revenue doesn't mean zero work. It means front-loaded effort. You build once, you refine, you optimize traffic, and then automation handles distribution. It's not passive on day one, but it becomes leveraged over time. Your knowledge is already an asset. The question is it sitting in your head, or is it working for you? If this video gave you clarity, like it so more people can find it, and subscribe for weekly breakdowns on AI income systems and digital automation. In the next video, I'll break down how to choose a profitable knowledge niche using AI data, so you don't build blindly. Build smart, automate intentionally, and turn what you know into what pays.